Good morning and welcome to Isfield Station and Miniature Railway and the preserved heritage Lavender Line. What's that?
You can, yeah. Did you want to do the honours with that cake? Yeah, the more top heavy it becomes. So just you just sit upright, don't lean too far out.
It will just fall over.
So yeah, so you'll be alright then.
Yeah, look, they've got the old carriages. Like the train from Harry Potter. Like. Yes, I'm driving a train. Going in the tunnel. Yes, I've got a breaker, where's that? Okay. Breaking there. Yeah, signal box, like in Thomas. You can change the tracks.
You change these tracks.
Whoa, look at that. Wow. So can you move those?
No.
Well, you can, look at that. So, and then you pull that to unlock it, and then push it forwards. And push, push, push.
Maybe you've got a kite.
Whoa. Look at you, Zach. Zach, do this one then. Pig. Do this one. You got to, that's the brake, so pull that bit off. That's it, and then push it forwards. That's it. Wow.
It's a signal.
Yeah, they're
And
amazing.
one of them operates the signal, but you need to find out.
Oh,
which one.
okay,
Oh,
okay.
really?
He was just saying that. I didn't know what he was
It's
talking
just
about.
a
He knows more than I
signal.
do.
Yeah, one of them you pull back and it'll operate that signal.
Ah, that's brilliant. Oh, it is that
There
one.
you go.
It is that
Wow.
one.
When
Wow,
it's
that's really
green,
cool.
That one means it's go.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
it's just,
brilliant.
It's just a show and play.
That's lovely.
Look, it's working. Cable broke it a few weeks back.
Oh,
did it?
Yeah.
What's this effect?
That's so cool.
Is that?
Wow.
Oh, well, you've made his day anyway, thank you. And mine.
Keeps that occupied.
Yeah, exactly.
The signal.
And then do the signal. Go on, pull, pull, pull. Look at that.
When it goes,
That's amazing, Zach.
it means it's go. That means it's go.
Come on, Zach, come on.
When it's green, it means it's go. Can
And
you
then it's
go?
up. Then that's locked off now. So you're going to unlock it and move the signal down.
Look at all different things.
Brilliant, Zach.
Is that connected to that?
It is, isn't it? That's so cool, Zach. Lovely. Watch
Can
this
Zach
one.
can do it?
Go on then. That's it, release the brake. Go on then, Zach. Pull, pull, pull. Lovely.
Roger's choice.
Very good.
No stick.
There we go.
No way.
Next day.
Zach, smile. Zach, smile.
Over there.
No, you can't walk over there.
Walk over the track.
Just stay there. Smile. Stand.
No, there's water in there.
You throw the fire on there.
Oh, look, there's the engine there. Zach, they've got the engine in there.
The gap between the train and platform.
Yeah. remember these sort of old trains going up to
They're the
London.
proper trains,
yeah,
I'd say.
yeah, definitely.
We'll be heading off in a little bit.
Okay.
Travel up the line about a mile and then come back down.
Okay.
There is a station at the top if you guys want to get off and have a leg.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. We
Get a
might
few
do that.
photos.
Yeah. Okay. Is that the door shut?
Looks like we're going to go in a sec.
Engine's going.
See your reflection there, is that? Do you think you're going to move if you jump up and down? Do you think you're going to go like that if you jump? Why are you jumping, Zach? Do you think you're going to travel if you jump? Do you think you're going to move? You're funny. You pull that chain for the alarm, babe. If you pull that red cord, it sets the alarm off. No, they stop the train then. It's an emergency stop. So, do you want to go and look at the engine? Look, the engine's in there, babe. How cool is that? Is there any heat coming out of there? There, the driver stands here, look. Look, that's where the driver sits, you see? Luggage cart there, isn't it? Look. It goes in there and then in there, so you've got to swing it, pull it, that's it. Oh, you still didn't do it properly. Find the gap. Oh, that's a big step. We are now at Bentley Miniature Railway, which is about 10 minutes from Isfield Train Station. It's cool, isn't it?
Keep your arms and legs inside the coaches at all times when the train is moving. Please do not lean out of the carriage and wait until the train is completely stopped in a station before attempting to leave the train.
Very cool. Wow, look at that train track. What's that? Look, we're going to go over a crossing, look.
Has it got alarm?
No, it hasn't, no. Another corner coming up. You like the train ride?
Yes, I just like a train ride. It says all aboard!
Nice. Really long train ride, isn't it?
I like a train ride. Red light.
It's so long, this
light.
train ride, isn't it? So wait till the train comes to a complete stop. Well, nice, isn't it? So, look, do you like the steam engines? Say again.